About 8 years ago, I recorded my first YouTube video. I'm going to blend it in here for a second so you know exactly where I started.
Hey guys! Alright, first of all, I have been procrastinating this video since probably 6 months because I was very afraid, which is crazy because fear is only in your head. I really want to make a difference in whoever's listening to your life. I want you to be able to be as happy as I am now because I think that's what I'm meant to do in life. I think we all have a gift. This is my gift, luckily. And if I'm able to go from very low to being this happy every single day, then I know you can do that too.
And back then, I knew that what I wanted to do in life and with these videos and with my coaching was to motivate people to feel happier, to live a better life, and just to make everybody realize that this planet is so incredibly beautiful, and all the opportunities that we have, if we choose to take them, they really can just accelerate our life to heights that we weren't even knew were possible before. But then I started to listen to social media, and there were so many people who said, you have to niche down. So over the past 8 years, I have chosen quite a few different niches. And I realized over the past 6 months, or let's even say a year, that I really would have loved to do more of what I started with. The whole idea that I had when I was younger, that I want to just genuinely motivate people for this beautiful life that we are living. And then I always said to myself that I just can't do it because the way to do it properly is to find a niche and to stick with it. And then over the past few weeks, this voice in my head just kept getting stronger, and it kept telling me that I know exactly what I have to do. And this is why I came on here, especially for all the people that have been following me for a while, that this account moving forward is not just going to be focusing on grieving and everything that surrounds it. I'm not going to stop talking about it completely because it has been such a big part of my life, as you know. But I wanted to update you that moving forward, we are also going to be talking about so many other things. I want to talk about all the highs and the lows of life. I want to be talking about my addiction problem, with most of you who have been following me ever since have absolutely no idea about. I want to share with you how to become free of addictions. I want to share with you how to start all those good habits that you know you need so badly in your life. I want to share with you how to get rid of those horrible habits that we have. I want to share so many things with you, and I am going to start today. Because yes, sometimes social media or people or experts are going to tell you that that is not the way to go and you should be doing it differently, and you have a way better chance to win or to succeed if you do specific things. But what I think is the most important is that you listen to what is really going to make you happy, and that you listen to what it is that you really want to do in life. And this is what I've always wanted to do. And I let so many people get into my head about how I should be doing it right. And you just see how the moment you're going to start following things that you're just doing because somebody else told you to do them, that you're just doing because you're going to get a lot of money from it, or that you're just doing because you've seen somebody else do it that way and, well, maybe this is going to work the same for you. No. It is never going to plan out, because if you're not going to follow what you know is right in your heart, there's always going to be roadblocks along your way where you're really just not quite understanding them. But at the end of the day, it is because you're not doing exactly what you are supposed to. And maybe you have something like that in your life too. Something that you have always known was the right thing, but you just haven't been doing it because of one of the things that I was just talking about. And maybe if you're seeing this video, this is a sign for you to start doing that thing as well. To start following that song that is playing in your heart, because I promise you that it is going to be so worth it in the end. Right now, I am already so excited to be finally doing what I always knew I am here on this planet for. And I just cannot wait to share all of this with you guys. So if you have been here for just the grieving content, then I hope that you're going to stick around. And if you are here watching this video and seeing me for the first time, then I hope that you are just as excited. And if there is anything that you'd like me to talk about, anything that you feel like I would really need this in order to live a better life, then please drop it in the comments. And if I have some experience and knowledge within that topic that you are requesting, then I'm definitely going to do my absolute best to record a video on it. Oh my goodness, I'm getting emotional as per usual, but this time it's happy tears. And honestly, I am praying that my mom is gonna look down right now and is so incredibly happy that finally this whole circle is just closing. And I know there's going to be so many amazing things to come. And I just always want her to look down and be so incredibly proud of me. And maybe you have a person like that in your life where they've always told you to just follow your heart, but now they're not there anymore. So you've kind of lost track a little bit. And I'm praying that you're gonna get back on track. And here's to an entire new chapter, guys. I cannot wait.